This is Sharifa Just Nailed It, and this is a collaboration by Creative Nails. This month's theme is freehand thunderstorms. So, that's what I'm going to attempt to do. So one nail will have a thunderstorm. One nail will have rain. Let's see, this will be our thunderstorm, this will be our rain. So, we're going to do this with watercolors from She Modern. Got my palette here, don't need my scraper, I do need my brush. Whoopsie. So we got our clear sealer foil. Oopsie, we have our opaque white watercolor. Our blue, you can tell I've used it and smells it. The same with our purple. These are sheer, as you can see. I spilled probably a good fourth of the bottle on both, almost half on the blue. Be very careful. Leave them in your holders. So what I'm going to do is I am taking some white, spraying it out of my palette. Oh, I'm not using the purple, I'm just using the blue. I'm just going to use the blue. Just the blue, just the blue. And then we are going to take, let's see, which nail are we taking? Bigger nail. We're going to take the sealer foot, the clear sealer watercolor, because this is a liquid marbling nail art. Oh boy, I'm going to need some more of this real soon. Holy cow. I've been doing a lot of practicing with the liquid marble nail art, and you do need this, the sealer, to do so. Because it is a liquid marble. So I'm going to take my brush, I'm going to lightly go through the paint, the watercolor. I'm going to pick her up. I got enough. Trying to draw lightning here, and I feel like it's not going well. Okay, that's how we're going to leave that nail. I don't want the lines any thicker than what they are. So we're going to set this off to the side to dry. While that is drying, let's clean this up real quick. Clean this. I'll take care of it later. We're going to do raindrops. Alright, we are ready. We are going to get some matte. Don't need the matte. Want the clear, no light top coat. Use any brands you want. We're going to make a few raindrops with this. Get your dotting tool. Get where you can see. Just gonna do a few raindrops here and there. I'm gonna hold this upside down. I do not want this to spread. I want this to be 3D-ish, if you will. I'm going to get my flashlight up. I'm going to cure this upside down, so I'm going to do this off camera, so I don't mind you or myself. Just give this I'm going to say more than a flash cure. This little flashlight I got here, the LED or UV LED light, it cures pretty quickly. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to pop it on the lamp, but I want to make sure it is cured upside down first. You don't have to per se, but that's how I'm going to do it. Now I'm going to pop it in the lamp and give it a full cure. Our nail, which is air dry because it is watercolors, looks like because it is on the clear sealer is on pretty thick. This is going to take a minute before I can top coat. You don't want to top coat while it's wet. You don't want a wet underneath your top coat at all, like that. Not like that. This is not gel. This is watercolor. So until it is dry, we'll be right back. Okay, we are back. Our nail is dry, as you can see. This is our watercolor lightning. And here is our rainy nail. I think that turned out pretty cool, don't you? You know what I mean? I gotta touch it. Well, the thunderstorm, the lightning, we're gonna top coat, put that in the lamp for 60. Down in the comments, will be the first one pinned, will be a playlist of everybody who made a video. So please check that out. Give everybody a full play, please. A full view. Our algorithms will greatly appreciate it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell and click all, that way you get notified of all future uploads, giveaways, and any important information that may come across my desk. Here are the other nails that I did before. So here will be my set. Gina says from Shimano, oh, I gotta top coat this nail, hello. Gina from Shimano says no tuned watercolor marble nails will look the same, and she's totally right. She is so very right. You hurry and put this on. Stick her in the lamp. I think these turned out really cute. I hope you do too. Not putting any bling on. Gonna let it stand alone. Stand alone. So I'm gonna turn the lamp back on just a little bit because I put that other nail in there late. I hope everybody had a happy Easter. I spent mine with family. This will most likely be our last in this house that we've been in for 17 years. We'll be moving on to a different house soon, hopefully, and the look is still on. We haven't found anything yet, so we're still looking. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my freehand thunderstorm nails. I think these are really, really cute looking. I think these turned out really well. The rain and a thunderstorm, freehand thunderstorm with watercolors at that. I think they're kind of cool. So leave me a comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel. And we will see you next time. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.